my dear students. I hope you all are absolutely good and taking care of yourself and also enjoyed these holidays and no work were given to you. Exams are done. You were totally free, right? So yes, welcome back to our EVS class. Now again we are coming on to the studies and we have to do very much like concentration because our total 6 chapters are left and we have to cover those 6 chapters before half fab. So we have very less time. So I want to tell you something that I will be taking some extra classes, like I will be posting one more video, like we are posting videos on Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday, and also I will be posting on Friday too. So you all have to see that video too because our syllabus is so much left, and maybe on Saturday also, and it is not sure about the Saturday, but every Friday I will be sending one more video so that we can cover our syllabus, right? So syllabus बहुत ज़्यादा है. We have total 6 chapters to do. So today we will be starting with the one chapter, that is lesson number 20. We are starting today, that is travel to another place. And in the before the PT3 we had done lesson number 19, that was paying for travel. That is also left, that was not included in the PT3 exams. So total 7 chapters will come in your exams, and yeah, after 19 we are doing 20th chapter, that is travel to another place. Travel to another place, it is little bit related to the previous chapter. Like in the previous chapter I told you about the paying for travel, when we are going somewhere, when we are going for traveling, and what we have to do, what we have to pay for that, what is the money we are using there, right? And I told you about the different countries currency. So we learned in those in that chapter we learned about the paying for travel. Now we will be learning about travel to another place. Like if we are going somewhere, what is famous there, what is the we can say what is the main thing is there. So today I will be giving you homework also, because it is very simple homework, it is totally related to this chapter. So firstly we all have to read this chapter properly. So I request you all to open your book and that chapter number lesson number 20 and travel to another place. This chapter we are starting today. So travel to another place, another city, we can say. What is the meaning of this? Travel to another place, we can say. अब इस चैप्टर में हम रीड करेंगे डिफरेंट प्लेसेस के बारे में, राइट? सो व्हाट इज द लाइक फेमस थिंग, क्या वहाँ पर टूरिस्ट प्लेस कौन सा अच्छा है, वी विल बी लर्निंग अबाउट दिस. सो वी विल बी टॉकिंग अबाउट सो मैनी प्लेसेस इन इंडिया ओनली. हम अभी इंडिया की बात ही करेंगे, ट्रेवल टू अनदर प्लेस, बट तो इंडिया में ही रहकर वी विल बी लर्निंग अबाउट मोर सिटीज एंड मोर, कि हमारे पास और कौन कौन सी जगह है जहाँ हम जा सकते हैं. सो इन दिस चैप्टर गर्ल, इन दिस चैप्टर स्टूडेंट इज देयर, तो वो हमें ये सब एक स्टोरी सुनाएंगे इस चैप्टर में. व्हाट इज गोइंग ऑन, लाइक दे आर स्टडिंग इन द क्लास लाइक यू, एंड what is going to happen in this chapter, we will be reading it properly, and then one by one I will be telling you about each and every place, right? So yes, now let's start reading, and I am showing you the PDF. Now you can see that and start reading with me. So yes, students, we are going to read this now. As you can see, you have books also. You can use your book also. So yes, last week I learned a song, सारे जहाँ से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा, in school. A student is telling us that last week I learned a song, सारे जहाँ से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा. And I hope ये song सबने सुना होगा. So, student is saying that I could not stop thinking about my India and how proud I am to be an Indian. That student is saying भी मैं इंडिया के बारे में सोच ही जा रहा हूँ, मैं रुक नहीं पा रहा हूँ दैट कितना मैं खुश हूँ, कितना प्राउड फील करता हूँ दैट आई एम एन इंडियन. ओके, सो द अदर चिल्ड्रन ऑफ माई क्लास ऑल्सो एक्सपीरियंस द सेम फीलिंग. और वही सेम फील एक दूसरे बच्चे को भी हुआ. I could make out this as all of them had one request to the teacher. उन्होंने सबने मिलकर टीचर से रिक्वेस्ट की, प्लीज मैम टेल अस समथिंग मोर अबाउट इंडिया. इंडिया के बारे में हमें थोड़ा और बताएं. So that student is saying our teacher smiled and said, India is a land of diversity. अब हमारे टीचर ने स्माइल किया और कहा दैट इंडिया इज़ अ लैंड ऑफ डाइवर्सिटी. हियर व्हाट इज़ द मीनिंग ऑफ डाइवर्सिटी? डाइवर्सिटी मीनिंग वाइड वेराइटी ऑफ समथिंग, दैट किसी भी चीज़ की बहुत सारी वेराइटी है इस जगह पर. दैट इंडिया में हर चीज़ की वेराइटी है हमारे पास. दैट इज़ लॉट ऑफ थिंग लाइक लुक्स लाइक दैट, लाइक द फूड, द ड्रेसेस एंड द ऑक्यूपेशन ऑफ पीपल लिविंग इन डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ आवर कंट्री. तो जहाँ जहाँ लोग रह रहे हैं हर एक जगह की अलग तरह के ऑक्यूपेशन है, अलग तरह का फूड है, अलग तरह की ड्रेसेस हैं, अलग तरह की उनकी लैंग्वेज है. राइट. So interestingly, a common thread runs through all the diversity, that is the thread of unity. Now, what is the meaning of unity? So, unity means the situation in which people are working together. It is the situation जिसमें people एक साथ काम करते हैं, उसको बोलते हैं unity. So, that is the thread of unity. Unity के साथ सब काम कर रहे हैं. That is the एक कॉमन चीज़ चलती जा रही है. सो व्हेन यू वांट टू एक्सपीरियंस दिस यूनिटी इन डाइवर्सिटी, ट्रैवल टू सम ऑफ द प्लेसेस इन द फोर कॉर्नर्स ऑफ द कंट्री. तो अपनी कंट्री के जैसे फोर कॉर्नर्स, ईस्ट, वेस्ट, नॉर्थ, साउथ, किसी भी कंट्री में ईस्ट के गए, वेस्ट के गए, नॉर्थ के. बट दैट इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल इन द कोरोना टाइम ऑल्सो. यू कैन सी वी कैन नॉट even step out from our house. So but one student asked that ma'am how are we going to do this? अब हम ये कैसे कर सकते हैं? Then that student asked in surprise, that student asked from ma'am in surprise, and our teacher didn't answer but gave us an assignment. उनके टीचर ने क्या किया, उनको कोई आंसर नहीं दिया बट उन्होंने उसे असाइनमेंट दे दिया सभी बच्चों को. And the teacher told each one of us to prepare a presentation on our hometown or home state. तो जो स्टूडेंट्स थे ऑलमोस्ट कोई केरला रहता था, कोई कहाँ, मतलब अलग अलग सिटी से थे सभी, हर एक का होम टाउन किसी और सिटी में था. सो शी गेव असाइनमेंट दैट दे हैव टू प्रिपेयर प्रेजेंटेशन ऑन देयर होम टाउन. उनको अपने होम टाउन के ऊपर प्रेजेंटेशन बनानी थी. सो दे विल बी टेलिंग अस अबाउट different places and we will be learning about this in this chapter. हम अलग अलग कंट्री के बारे में रीड करेंगे. Yes, I also will give you one presentation to do and that will not for the different for anyone, it will be same for everyone. So but little bit difference will be there. So let's get started and now I will be telling you the one student what he is saying, that is Harris. So yes students, what we had learned about the thing, like they are talking about the some places. Now every student will tell their experience, अपना experience बताएगा हर एक student, right? And as I told you about the diversity is like, we can say diversity is a wide variety of something. So in our country there are wide variety of something, like we can say occupation, we can say so many types of food, dresses are there. There are different types of variety in the different country, different cities. So we will be learning about that today. Okay, so firstly here I am going to tell you about the next day. अब जो next day आया है in that story, Harris was the first to give his presentation. यहाँ पर presentation अभी कौन दे रहा है? Harris. This is the turn of Harris. Now he is giving his presentation. Like उनको topic दिया गया था कि आपको एक presentation बनाना है. So like this I will be giving you also presentation. जिस तरह से इन्होंने अपना presentation किया and आपको भी मुझे इस तरह के experience बताने होंगे, right? So yes, Harris जो है वो experience बता रहा है केरला का. He is from Kerala. वो केरला से है. He told us that Kerala is a land of coconut trees. It is a land of coconut trees and green fields are there. Right? So पूरी लैंड पर इस तरह का बहुत ज्यादा कोकोनट्स होते हैं, वहां पर बहुत ज्यादा ट्रीज होते हैं, ग्रीन फील्ड्स, ग्रीनरी मेनली इज देयर. So as I told you about the Kerala is a state, and in the previous class, like in third class, you read about their capital also. So do you know about its capital? What is the capital of Kerala? What is the capital of Kerala? Kerala's capital is Thiruvananthapuram. Just a moment. Thiruvananthapuram. So this is the capital of this state. State name is Kerala and its capital is Thiruvananthapuram. Yeah, right. Spelling is correct. It is very Thiruvananthapuram. Yeah, it is correct. Thiruvananthapuram is the capital of Kerala. And now I will be telling you about the clothes. Their clothes. उनके clothes किस तरह के होते हैं? So we will be talking about this topic. So firstly, it is clear to you that Thiruvananthapuram is the capital of Kerala and it is famous for its temple. ये temples के लिए famous है. वहाँ पर greenery ज़्यादा होती है, coconut होते हैं, trees and their green fields. And what he told us that men wear lungis and mundas. मुंडस एक व्हाइट कलर का क्लॉथ होता है, व्हाइट कॉटन का क्लॉथ होता है, जिसको मुंडस बोलते हैं. लुंगी एंड मुंडस. एंड ये तो हो गए मैन वियर, ये मैन वियर करते हैं. नाउ वुमेन क्या वियर करते हैं वहां पर? एंड हैरिस टोल्ड अस दैट women wear mundas and blouse. Now with the mundas and blouse, और उसके ऊपर जैसे एक अपर क्लॉथ भी पहनते हैं मेंस. It can be like kurta, we can say. So इस तरह का उनका अटायर होता है. Their clothes looks like this. And on special occasions, अब जो special occasions होते हैं उस पे women क्या करती हैं? Mainly साड़ीज पहनती हैं. Women wear sarees. Okay, so this was about their clothes. I'm talking about the capital Kerala. It's state Kerala. Its capital Thiruvananthapuram. It is famous for the temples and coconut trees and green fields. इसकी land इस तरह की होती है. Clothes, man जो wear करते हैं lungi and mundus and upper cloth, and women wear mundus and blouse. And when there is occasion, festivals and all, they women wear sarees, right? So जो पीपल केरला के होते हैं वो डांस एंड म्यूजिक में बहुत ज्यादा इंटरेस्ट रखते हैं. सो देयर डांस, व्हाट इज द फेमस डांस देयर इज कथकली. फेमस डांस नेम इज कथकली डांस. जो है वो उनका वहाँ का फेमस, देयर मोस्ट फेमस डांस है. एंड उनका जो फेवरेट फेस्टिवल है, जो मेन फेमस फेस्टिवल है वहाँ पे, दे सेलिब्रेट ओनम. As I told you in the previous class, in the third class, I explained about the Onam, that what is that festival. It is a very important festival. इसमें बहुत रेस होती है. इसमें उनके कोई बलि होते हैं जिनके घर आने की खुशी में वो सब इस फेस्टिवल को मनाते हैं. That is Onam. So this festival very popular there, and people of Kerala speak Malayalam language. So what is their language? Their language is Malayalam. Malayam, Malayalam. So they speak language that is Malayalam, right? So the dance is Kathakali. favorite festival is Onam and the language is Malayalam. And it is famous for the beautiful temples. वहाँ पर जो tourist places हैं, like Kerala is famous for its temples, and there are lots of temples that I will be telling you. So yes, students, the famous temples names are like Padmanabhaswamy Temple is the famous temple there, and Guruvayu Temple is, and Sabrimala Temple. These are the three temples which are very famous in Kerala, and it is very popular there. If you will visit there, you should go there, right? And then I'm talking about the tourist place. The tourist place is the famous tourist place. There is Kovalam Beach. So these are the famous things that I told you about the Kerala. Its capital name is Thiruvananthapuram, and it is famous for the temples mainly, and its famous beach is Kovalam Beach. It is tourist place. Mostly tourists visit there. And yeah, I told you about the language. Language is Malayalam. Favorite dance is Kathakali. Inka favorite जो famous festival है, that is Onam. So this was about the Kerala, and who told us about it? Harris told us about it, right? Harris gave a presentation on this topics. So like this, I am going to give you a homework, and you all have to do that. And your homework is, you have to make a small video, and you can say it will be included in your finals. Its exam will be included in your finals, and I will be checking कि सबकी video मेरे पास आ रही है या नहीं, right? So you have to make a video on a very only for 2 minutes, not more than 2 minutes. Your video should be of 2 minutes only. What is the topic? Duration I am giving you, that is 2 minutes. And topic is, your topic of this is, you have to tell me, make a presentation. You can use pictures also to describe it. Make a presentation So make a presentation on tourist places in Delhi. So you have to make a present on tourist places in Delhi. Delhi में जितनी भी tourist places हैं, you can tell any 2, any 3, any 4. It is depends on you. 2 minutes में आप कितना cover up कर सकते हैं. You can use, you can take help of the pictures also. By showing the pictures, you can explain that it is a famous place there, it is a tourist place there. So this is your work. You have to make a video of 2 minutes only, and yeah, you have to enjoy it. Don't burden, like आपको burden नहीं करना है अपने ऊपर कि that मैम ने इतना बड़ा काम दे दिया. No, it's very simple, and I think almost students visit the Delhi famous places and their tourist places. So it is very simple. So अगर आप गए भी नहीं हैं, but I think so आपको सबको पता होगा दिल्ली के बारे में. Now you have to make a very beautiful presentation. Parents को तंग नहीं करना है, खुद से करना है काम. If you don't have pictures, do not worry. I'm just giving you clue that how can you do. So there is no need of that. Don't burden your parents. आपको खुद से सर्च करना है, खुद को आपको पता होना चाहिए. जितना आता है just speak it out in the video and send me that video on my WhatsApp number. Right? So yes, that is all for today. I hope you all enjoyed it, and we will meet soon again. So yeah, bye bye all, and take care.